Hi everyone, it's raining outside, so my light is going to be very iffy. Also, my sound is also going to be very iffy. You might hear the sound of the rain and the sun. I record in facing the sunlight, windows over there and over here. So my lighting is going to be very iffy today. Sorry about that. So let's talk about beauty boxes. I've been a beauty box addict for a very long time, from the time my blog began. And I've tried various kinds of beauty boxes from around the world. I'll link up my sort of playlist and blog post list to all the beauty boxes that I've tried, so you can binge watch if you like. And my absolute favorite beauty box till date was the Mimi box from Korea. They were absolutely amazing. You got full-sized products, $29-ish to $33 or $35 per box, worldwide shipping, free. And the products inside were not, a lot of Korean beauty boxes send you sheet masks and call it full-size products. A lot of mainstream or Western beauty boxes send you very tiny samples, including foil sachets sometimes even. Or you get random scrubs, random hairsprays, or even black eye pencils. So Mimi box nailed this. They had monthly boxes, regular ones, and they also had thematic boxes, brand only boxes. You had an Etude House box, you had a Vanilla Co box, I think. Similarly, you had themed boxes, superfood boxes containing products with broccoli and lemon and things like that. Berry boxes, so those were beauty boxes of products containing berry extracts. Makeup only boxes, cheese box. Mimi box did not send more than 2 sheet masks per box, and everything was full-sized. Everything was very exciting to try out. Everything was new products, not old stock that they wanted to shill off. It was very nice, and I will link all my reviews of Mimi boxes in the description box below. Do take a look, and you will be, if you haven't heard of Mimi box before, and you will be gobsmacked by the value for the money. Unfortunately, Mimi box folded in 2016. I've lost count of the beauty boxes I bought in 2015 alone. I still have some products left, expiry date 2021 even. So it was a huge fan. After Mimi box folded, I've been struggling to find the beauty box, of my dreams. I've tried a number of beauty boxes and none of them has, had that wow factor. Rose Shop. They are a Korean retailer who ships worldwide. The prices of the products are very, very competitive. Probably the least expensive out there of all the Korean retailers out there. But they do charge for shipping, but sometimes they have free shipping offers. And they do seasonal beauty boxes. This is their second ever beauty box that I'm going to show you today, that I'm going to talk about. I don't have the first one. I didn't know there was the first one until it came out and it sold out. The second one just came out and I bought it. It's still available for purchase at the time of recording this video, which is the 21st of July, Sunday. Sorry, during the weekends, I lose all track of the dates and the time. It is $35 for the entire box, including shipping. And as you can see, it's big enough, it looks big enough, and it feels heavy. So why did I buy this? First of all, they promised at least 7 full-sized products. They also promised samples. And incidentally, along with this haul, I got a couple of other samples and a couple of sheet masks as well. So let's open this. It's sealed, as you can see. I haven't opened it at all. Let's unbox this now. So Rose Shop often does, secret boxes, mystery boxes, and this is one of them. And you cannot customize these, nor will, all the boxes be the same. You might get different products in yours. They are restricted to 1 per customer, which is a pity because I wanted at least 2. But then, there could have been duplication, repetition of products. I don't know. Let me open this. I haven't a clue as to what's inside. And Rose Shop have given, a few photographs, general ideas of what's inside these boxes. But they may not necessarily be the exact same products. I'll link all of that in the description box below. Oh my god, that is chock-a-block, jam-packed. So everything's got bubble wrap. And let's start opening these. Quite a few of these things look full-sized and large. So whatever this is, let's open that first. The problem with mystery boxes is that, they can sometimes be, most often miss than hit. But in the case of Korean boxes, I found that they're more hit than miss. And in this particular case, you pay $35 and the box is worth, the contents are worth at least $80, right? First product, full-sized, Berusom Essential Cleansing Water. So this is a micellar water, I think. Yes, it is. It is a micellar water, and this is how many mils? 150 mils full-sized, and I like that this is a refill. You can pour it into any old bottle. What I am going to do is use one of my empties from the last month and pour it into that. So this is oil-free and contains cranberry extract, sunflower extract, safflower extract, evening primrose extract, carrot extract, number of seed and berry extracts, and it does not have to be rinsed off. It's a micellar water. Full size. Very nice beginning there. So $35, you already get, you know, a full size micellar water there. This contains 2 products. Let's see what that is. I can't really tell, you know, with all this bubble wrap. A number of Korean beauty retailers use a lot of bubble wrap, which is plastic waste and a bad idea, but then I use mine. I always repurpose mine, and whatever I cannot use, I lend to my dad. Right, this contains 2 products. The first is a Rainbow Fish foundation brush. I used to have a couple of Rainbow Fish comics. I think, I'm not absolutely sure. I think they're Swiss, they're European. It's a, the character I think is European in origin. It's Swiss, I think. So let's get that brush out and see what that's like. It comes like this. Oh, very glitzy there. And that feels very soft. You know, this will actually make a nicer contour brush than a foundation brush. I'll be trying it out, definitely. You can never have too many brushes. Always happy to get one. While this may not, you know, be Chikuhodo or Hakuhodo or Koyudo or anything, you know, you always want extra brushes. And what I like is that it comes with this protective sleeve, and you can pop it into your handbag for touch-ups during the day. So I will be using that. This is from the Face Shop. I didn't even know Face Shop had brushes like this. I had no idea this was from the Face Shop. Third product, again full-sized, Apu, A-P-U. I have no idea how that brand is pronounced, despite being a K-beauty fan for a long time. Melting and soft drawing texture, My Lip. That sounds like a lip product. Let's see what it is. Please don't tell me that's a very vampy product. Oh, it is incredibly vampy. I do wish I got a, you know, slightly lighter colour. No fragrance there, but you know, while it looks deliciously creamy and very interesting, I do wish the colour had been, I don't want to swatch it, you know, that would mean I wouldn't be able to give it away. I do wish, you know, I got something a little pinker, something like this, rather than, I mean, I do wear vampy colours. They're not me. So I will look up swatches online, and you know, if they're interesting or you know, if they're sheer enough, I'll hang on to it. If not, I will have to give it away. Next, we have something rather large in here. Large bottle of something. That was easy to take out at least. This is Nada Bubble Cleanser. Full-sized cleanser. 150 mils. Let's try to open that. That's sealed as well. I always love getting cleansers in beauty boxes, and you know, I actually like the cute packaging. That goes well with a secret box theme. Oh my, full-sized. So I can't find an English ingredients list. I hope this is sulfate free. It doesn't say anything about the pH either. Hopefully it is indeed sulfate free. If it is sulfate free, I will be using it on my face. But if it is not sulfate free, then I will be using it as a body wash. Right, let's get that out of the way and pull out the next thing, which seems to contain 2 products again. This is Etude House My Lash Serum for lash growth. Marvelous. I don't have lashes, I have peach fuzz instead of lashes. So that is what happens when 2 sparse-lashed people marry each other and have a child. So I will definitely be trying this out because, as I said, I don't have eyelashes at all. Hopefully that will indeed work. Let's see. The next thing looks like a blush or a lip tint. Maybe it's both. Okay, this is actually neither of those. It is an eyeshadow. Look at my eyes. Let's open that. So that is the eyeshadow, and it is a bit, not as deep as I would like for my complexion. So I will in all probability be giving this away. This is also from Etude House, I understand. So I love that there's, a nice combination of makeup and skincare in here. It's not just, skincare. Let's see what this one is. There are two products in here. Full-sized, nearly antioxidant serum. And this is 80 ml of product. I love my K-Beauty serums. Nearly is, I believe, a brand that is owned by Rose Shop Indeed. That's a serum. It's supposed to reduce wrinkles and have an antioxidative effect. So Korean serums, always a huge favorite with me. Very few of them break me out, and I love that they give a very, very hydrated and soft look and feel to the skin, far more than mainstream brand serums. So I will definitely be trying that one and hopefully it won't break me out. The next thing is a product that I have tried out before. It is from Holika and it is the Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. 99% aloe vera, and the packaging is shaped like an aloe vera leaf. I've tried this before. I've received it before in other beauty boxes. I've also got a full size, very nice. I must admit that I use aloe vera gels as a conductor for my new face, actually. So that's always useful. That's always welcome. Next, we actually have a postcard. Is this somebody from BTS? I can't recognize them. One of you will have to tell me. Is this somebody from Korean boy brand BTS? So I'm a postcard collector. Always happy to get one. Next we have a foundation trial kit from Etude House. I really hope they have sand and tan in there because those are the shades that will suit me. I hope it's not 21 and 22. Right, there are 4 shades. Fair, vanilla, beige and sand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off sand and I'll give away the rest. There's no point in keeping foundations that are way too pale for me. Right, we next have the famous Etude House Collagen Eye Patch. I love any kind of eye patches. What I do is I apply, my eye serum or eye cream and then layer these on top. And in the morning I wake up with them looking all pruny, but my under eye areas are quite hydrated. I will definitely be using this. And here are the mandatory sheet masks. How many do we have? Just 4. Oh, that's marvelous. For all these products, there are just 4 sheet masks. Nature Republic Shea Butter Mask. While I'll be using sheet masks received in beauty boxes or advent calendars or, as gifts with purchase, I won't be buying them because they're bad for the environment. You can't do anything with this packaging. On the other hand, this sort of packaging you can repurpose for something else. If not, my dad can use them for his gardening club. Right. The next one is the again Etude House 3 minutes care mask black bean. That sounds like fun. There's a snail mask from Farmstay, a very, very, very affordable brand. Snail visible difference mask sheet. And finally, this is not a sheet mask. This is actually a hair mask. This is the Silk Scarf Damage Protein Steam Hair Pack from Etude House. My hair is incredibly dehydrated and damaged, and I need all the help I can give it. So definitely this is a great idea. What you do is sort of wrap this around your hair and leave it on for a bit. I like to leave it on even overnight, and you wake up and wash your hair as normal, and you get softer, well hydrated hair. Again, you have 2 sets of samples. This is the Grapefruit Vita Peeling Gel from G9 Skin. I don't know how many are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there are 10 foil sachets. That's nice. There's enough room to try it. And then you also have the same, sorry, no, SAEM, no idea how to pronounce it. Urban Eco Harakiki Ampoule. Again, you have 10 of those. So I'm presuming they're all the same inside. Let's find out. Yep, everything in here is a Vita Peeling Gel. So even though, you know, there are 2 foil sachets, there are 10 of this and 10 of this, so that's not so bad. So it's like, you know, getting 20 mils each of these. I'm not complaining. If you're sending me foil sachets, send me at least 10. However, I don't love foil sachets. Again, bad for the environment. But, you know, it's a mystery box. You can't really predict the contents, you know, or, you know, you can't expect to get, not to get some products, even if you don't particularly love those kind of products. So faux sheet masks, 2 sets of 10 foil sachets each. So 20 foil sachets in all from two different products. That foundation sampler kit, a postcard, the Etude House Under Eye Collagen patches, a little aloe vera gel bottle, and this is 55 mils of product, 80 mils of a full-size serum, 150 mils of micellar water, 150 mils of a face cleanser, rainbow foundation brush from the Face Shop, not, you know, one of those unbranded things, eyeshadow from Etude House in a very spring-summer color, lash serum, and a lip color. Let's take a quick count of these. Without counting the sheet masks with or the foil sachets, including the eyeshadow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, full-sized, 8 full-sized products. They only promised 7 full-size products, so I'm very happy about that. $35 inclusive of international delivery charges. Incredibly good deal. If they made this a monthly beauty box, I'm signing up. If they make this a quarterly, yearly, annual, whatever thing, I'm signing up, because this is what Mimi Box used to be. This is the best Korean beauty box I've seen in a long time. You know, I paid less than $5 per product, and I got 4 sheet masks, 2 sets of foil sachets, the under eye patches, and foundation sampler, and a postcard free. In addition to this, they'd also sent some foil sachets with my order of this box, which is a great bargain. Amazing beauty box, absolutely love it. Mimi Box fans, you miss your Korean beauty boxes? Go get this right away. At the time of recording this video, not an affiliate link, mind you, I gain nothing from telling you about this. At the time of recording this video, it is still available for purchase, but it should go away very quickly. It is a seasonal box. I don't think they will be restocking this. I do want, you know, everybody to write into Rose Rose Shop and ask them to make this, you know, monthly or at least a quarterly feature, you know, the secret box. I'd sign up. I miss Korean beauty. I miss a proper, decent, good, high value for the money beauty box very, very badly. I want my full-size products. I want to try new things. I want, you know, a variety of brands. I want great value for the money. So if you're writing into Rose Rose Shop, very happy if you do that. I will link where to buy in the description box below. They ship worldwide, inclusive of shipping charges. I think it is on sale at $33.50 right now, this box. I'm not absolutely sure. It was when I checked last night. I don't know if that's, you know, just a weekend offer. At the time of recording this video, this is Sunday, 21st of July. I hope to have this up either tonight or on Wednesday, depending on when I can finish editing this. So at the time of recording this video, this box is available. Run, don't walk. So, do you have a favorite beauty box? Which is it? I would love to know. I'm always looking out for more beauty boxes from, you know, around the world. I love trying out beauty boxes. Do tell me in the comments below. I would love to know. Do bring more boxes to my radar as well. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please ring the notifications bell to stay updated. And I'll speak to you soon.